video is to show you how to use Digi Creator app. So I'm just showing you one of my clients' account. So you can see at the bottom, you can see 5 icons at the bottom that will for the different actions. And if you will go to contacts, calendar, dollar sign, and then this message tab, and then home sign, you can see all those things the same way. Like this is an opportunity tab. If you you can use all those things the same way you can use from desktop. So now you can see like this is the button like for messages. You can see unread, recent, all conversation. You can have a look from here. So this is one of that, and when you will tap onto home, like again this will be the dashboard. So let's see how we can check the appointment. So you will go to the calendar tab, and now you can see like we have selected the calendar. We want to see appointment. For you it will be only one, lead appointments, and then we can select the date from the calendar, and you will be able to see all the appointments on that given date and with whatever will be available in that calendar. For this person, suppose if we go to 17th, he has Friday 1 and Sunday 2. So we click on the person's name. We call this person on the appointment time, and let's see, this is what will open if we click on the name, tap on the name, and then we can see all the information for this person, and we can click on this pencil icon, and we can just change the status of the appointment from here. If it's showed, if it's no show, whatever happened, you can select from here and you can save it. And under the notes section at the bottom, you can see as well, let me show you like where you can see the notes, bedroom and bathroom and stuff. You can put the notes whatever the outcome of your call was. So when we call next, after that, after your call has done, so we can, if we need to follow with the same person, or if it was a no-show, or if you have spoken about whatever, these notes will tell us like how to talk and what is the next action we have to take at our end. So I hope this is very clear to you. For any question, ask your project manager on our weekly calls, and learn to use this app on your phone to make it so simple and easy for you.